official launch, official launch in the health and wellness space. Official, like I haven't been official just because I didn't want to come out and really give you guys something that was half done. I didn't want to come out because my thing was being unsure in this industry. I've been in this industry since 2013. I was unsure where I wanted to plant my flag. I was testing things and just figuring out who I am, testing out what I think was the best for people. If you know me, you know health and wellness is a thing. I always tricked myself out of the position saying it was a harder thing to build, or it was smaller commissions, or who's gonna want this. That self-doubt, self-sabotaging was a thing for many years, but I'm very confident, more confident than I've ever been, ever in my craft. And if you know, and if you've seen, I've been working on a lot of marketing stuff for you guys, and it's all about getting to that result quick as you desire. And that's everything. Everyone already knows. I don't have to give you the spill on health and wellness. What I will say before I get into it is simply holistic. I love holistic approaches. Everyone has cheaper products nowadays. Everyone has this. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for holistic. I'm looking for real herbs. I've been messing with herbalist stuff for 5 years now. So I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for formulations that really get the job done. But before we even say anything else, is I don't have to sell you on this. We all know that we are deficient in vitamins and minerals. We all know that we aren't feeling ourselves. We all need pick me ups, energy drinks, etc., to get us through the day, which is a sign of a deficiency. So I don't have to sell you on this on anything. I just am looking for a few people who are over with the shenanigans and they want to really lock in. Even if you're someone that's not in the industry, if you are coachable and you desire something else, this potentially can be something life changing for you. And just to throw this out there, this is not a get rich quick thing, but I am also not looking to walk. I'm looking to be on a quick pace because, like I said, I've been in behind the scenes learning everything that I need to know. And even for you to speed things up, this doesn't have to take 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Just know it could be a 5 year plan. But for you having success in anything, it doesn't have to take long. You either want to walk, you want to jog, or you want to run. It's up to you guys, but I'm going to leave some information on this company. I'm probably going to leave it in the comment section. All I can say is it's up to you. It's up to you. If you want to partner with someone, if you've liked the stuff that I've put out and done over the years, just know that I'm putting the foot on the gas. We have other things that we do, but it all comes down to your health. Optimal health is everything. Ask people, ask your friends. Without health, nothing else matters, guys.